In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Gumroad. We'll walk through the full process of adding a new product, customizing it, and getting it ready to sell step by step. Make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account, and then let's get started. First, head over to your Gumroad dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see your products, sales, and account information. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products option in the menu and click on it. This is where all your current and future products will live. On the products page, click on New Product. This opens the setup screen for a brand new item. Start by clicking into the name field and typing in a clear, descriptive name for what you're selling. Think about what your buyers will search for and what summarizes your offer in just a few words. Next, choose the type of product. Gumroad lets you pick things like a digital product, course or tutorial, ebook, and more. Select the option that best fits what you're offering, as this can affect how it's delivered to your customers. Now, type in the price you want to charge. Right next to that, click on the currency dropdown and pick the currency you want to use for this product. When you're happy with that, click on Next. Customize to move into the customization phase. Here, click into the description field and write a clear, helpful description. Explain what the buyer gets, who it's for, and the main benefits. Below that, add a custom URL for your product. This will be the link you share with others. In the cover section, upload images or a video that represents your product well. Then, in the thumbnail area, upload a thumbnail image, which is what people will see in previews and embeds. In the product info section, choose your call to action text from the dropdown, like buy this or I want this, and then write a short summary underneath. If you want, you can click Add Details in the Additional Details section to include extra information such as file types, duration, or requirements. In the Integration section, decide whether you want to connect this product to communities or tools like Discord or similar platforms, so customers can be invited automatically. Then, in the Pricing section, refine how people pay. You can enable Pay What You Want pricing, installments, and other options if they fit your strategy. If you have multiple tiers, like a standard and a VIP version, use the versions section and click on Add Version to create those. Then, in the Settings section, fine-tune options such as limiting the number of sales, allowing customers to choose quantities, or publicly showing how many sales your product has. Next, go to the Content tab at the top. This is where you upload the actual files, links, or materials your customers will receive after purchase. Make sure everything needed is included here. Then click on the Receipt tab. In this area, you can customize the button text that customers see after purchase and add a thank you message or instructions on what to do next. After that, click on the Share tab to see how your product link and previews will look when you share them. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied, click on Publish and Continue. Gumroad will then walk you through the final, straightforward steps to confirm your product is live. When you've completed those, your product is